Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe, the Joe Anderson for those who don't know. Today I am showing you guys how I take pictures by myself. As you can see right now, I'm already in a coat that I ordered online that doesn't even look how it looked in the picture. So I'm just like taking pictures from the top. But yeah, so right now I'll just hop right into the video, show you guys what I'm going to be using, and yeah, start shooting. The first thing I have is my ring light, which is from Newer. This is, I think, the 18-inch light. Right here it has the phone holder, which adjusts. It moves sideways. It moves sideways, so I can't even get it to move sideways. But this is very dangerous because I literally just cut my finger trying to put my phone on there when I was taking pictures with the top of this coat. So it comes with the cord, of course, so that you can plug in and turn the light on. That's right. And then the second thing that I have is my tripod. It goes as high as 5 feet. This is adjustable. This is for me to screw my camera into the bottom of my camera and tighten it. This is actually the angle that I'm going to be using to take my pictures on Instagram. So I just want to say, just because I usually take pictures for Instagram on my camera, I use this tripod and then I just set the ring light on the outside of it, well, behind it, so that I can just have the light. 9 times out of 10 I don't use my phone to take pictures for my Instagram because the camera quality is just better on the camera. So that's what I'm going to be using today. I already set up the length that I need to have my tripod at. I'm 5 feet, so I normally try to keep it to, let me see if I can show you. I try to keep it like breast length because I noticed that when I take pictures and the camera is too high, I look extra skinny. I'm already skinny. I don't need to look extra skinny. Well, I'm extra skinny already. I don't need to look more skinny. And I feel like this height just gives me, I don't know, it makes it more realistic for me, honestly. Like, it makes me look like my complete self. So yeah, that's the first step. I have those set up. My second step is I'm about to brush my hair because my curls are like a little frizzy. It's frizzy at the top and kind of chic at the bottom, but I'm about to fix that, put on my outfit, change my lip color to match my outfit, and then we can get right into it. Alright y'all, I'm back. My outfit, I have on a mustard color turtleneck, some silver accessories. This little piece of my hair right now is driving me crazy because it won't even stay inside of the daggone curl. But my shirt got a stain on it, but when I edit my picture, I'm just gonna smooth it out so that you can't see it. And I have on my green Zara pants. Actually, this whole outfit is from Zara because that's my store. Then I have some regular black lace-up heels and a black purse. Obviously this outfit is pretty much chill, but it still has a statement piece, which are the colors. So that's pretty much like my personality. Like, I'm really, really, really chill, but sometimes I can be extra. But I'm like, you wouldn't even think about it because it's like, dang, she's so chill. You'd think I'd be, you know, dressed chill too. I'm not really like a full-time sweatpants girl. I'm popping out when I come out. So right now I'm about to pair my phone with my camera. Okay, so I just turned my screen record on my phone. So for the first part, I'm going to open the Canon Connect app. And you can see that it has location information and everything showing you how to connect on the app, the Easy Connect guide. But there is a Wi-Fi button right here on the side of the camera that I press. Select the iPhone option and then your camera is going to tell you which Wi-Fi setting to connect your iPhone to. So go to your iPhone and connect to that Wi-Fi. Okay, so now that it's connected to the Wi-Fi, it has a remote live view shooting option. hooking my camera up to this. Okay, so now I'm hooking my camera up to the tripod. Hold up. Hooking up my camera to the tripod, making sure it's secure. You can use this handle to, you know, basically line up what angle you want from your camera. And since I'm taking a picture for Instagram, I'm going to turn my camera to the side and lock it. And use my phone to see if I can see myself or if I'm centered. So I'll have to take the picture right here. Oh, dang. The only thing about stuff like this, like, you got to see what's in your background. See how you can see my tripod in the background right there? So I got to move it over. The advice I'm going to give, make sure you don't see your ring light in your camera view. The second thing is to make sure that, of course, you have good lighting. Make sure you set it. Make sure it's not too bright to where you look ashy, and then not too dark to make it seem like, you know, you don't have any light at all, honestly. And the third thing would be to make sure that your camera is further back from you, so that when you upload it to Instagram, it's going to fit Instagram dimensions. Like, you don't want your head cut off or your feet cut off, or you can't fit the whole picture in. So give it enough room, as you can see on the screen.
I put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, got you, brand you, liked you, tried you, move so fast, baby, now I can't find you. I'm starting to believe that I'm way too much for you. All that talk seems like it can't come true. All that satisfy me, I see how the you got me, baby, with what you can't got me. Can you keep up? Baby boy, it was my breath. Bring me down, and it was my breath. Like it was my. Can you keep up? Baby boy, it was my breath. Bring me down, and it was my breath. Like it was my breath. So baby, like when I'm trying to get my groove, it's a problem, let me see what you just make move. Take me out so deep, you know I can't swim. And I got me underneath protection, so I'm moving in the right direction. Ooh, you understand the facts that I'm trying to get to you. You gotta go slow like it is to never do. Then I'ma take you to get perfection. You're the difference from my man, and I act like I said. You make you go slow, get distracted. You keep that cool. Like it was my breath, my breath, you know. Like it was my breath. Like it was my. Can you keep that? Baby boy, like it was my breath. Like it was my breath. Like it was my breath.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I just downloaded my pictures from my phone, well, my camera onto my phone, which I just showed you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, because I kind of enjoyed doing this video, but it took so long. My camera's about to die and I'm ready for bed. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next video. Bye.